Do you know your dog breeds? Let's get started. Who could this dog be? A Chihuahua. And this one? That's a pug. What about this little cutie? That's a poodle. And this spotted one? It's a Dalmatian. And this beauty? It's a husky. What about this playful pup? It's a golden retriever. You probably know this one too. It's a German shepherd. And this clever little one? That's a Rottweiler. I'm sure you recognize this one as well. It's a Doberman. And this mischievous little one? That's a Jack Russell Terrier. Always new quizzes here on Panda Quiz TV.